Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Find My on your iPhone or logging into iCloud. Sign in with the Apple ID tied to the AirPods so the device list populates. Once done, tap your AirPods entry and check the map for the last known location and the play sound control. If they are offline, make a quick plan. Prioritize rooms nearest the last location and gather a flashlight or headphones to listen closely, because immediate action narrows the search area and prevents further battery drain. You move through rooms systematically. Start high and work down so you don't miss pockets, shelves, or the top of bags. Once done with a zone, close doors to avoid rechecking. If play sound is available, trigger it and walk slowly while rotating your head to localize the chirp. This helps separate reflections and ambient noise. Make sure to use a flashlight at an angle to catch white surfaces against dark fabric, and empty cushions and laundry into a clear area so nothing is hiding. You conclude by checking unusual hiding spots under furniture, inside shoes, or behind appliances where small items slide. Once done, if they remain missing, mark the AirPods as lost in Find My and add a contact message so someone can return them. If you don't see them, try charging the case and rebooting your iPhone, then retrace steps after 15 to 30 minutes. Sometimes movement or a reconnection will update the location. If that fails, consider searching when the house is quieter to hear faint sounds better.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.